Hi everyone, Maggie here with Amigos Handmade Creations. Today I'll show you how to crochet a magic circle. For this tutorial I'm using a medium weight yarn with a 5.5mm crochet hook. Wrap the yarn around your index finger and hold the end of the yarn with your thumb and your middle finger. To start, yarn over, wrapping the yarn around the hook. Yarn over, pull up a loop. Now you have a circle with 2 strands of yarn on the right and 1 single strand of yarn on the left. Chain 1 for single crochet or chain 3 for double crochet. For this tutorial we are doing double crochet. We will crochet 12 double crochet inside the magic circle. Now that you have all the stitches you need, pull that end of the yarn tight to close the circle. It's very easy to pull it. You're going to join your round with a slip stitch as normal. And your magic circle is done. Thanks for watching.